Okay everybody, I am ready to install the rear backing plate and cast iron drum from Randy Gross he lives out in California. I sent all four corners out to him to be rebuilt and the fronts are installed and I am very happy. Here is the rear, what she looks like right out of the package. So the lug bolts are already swedged on the hub and I'll show you what that looks like real quick. Now that is a thing of beauty right there. Those are composite main pads for the cast iron drums, the normal emergency band, cotton woven asbestos ones, and everything has been blasted and primed and painted. The back looks gorgeous, and because the back is already assembled and painted, I don't want to break it apart and let it rust or anything like that. So what I am going to do is remove the radius arm over here. That's really simple to do. There's one bolt up under the U-bolt, or the universal shaft for the drive shaft. So I'm going to knock that out and then we'll continue. Okay, I'm going to knock out those bolts. Those were actually, I already put those in. Those are brand new ones. You guys might not like this, but here it goes. Okay, I went and found a brass shaft. I feel much better doing it this way. So let's give this a couple taps. That guy's out. There you go. So what those are new backing plate bolts that I had put in already. And I decided I didn't want to take the backing plate apart itself. So I'm just going to end up bolting things together kind of backwards, but it'll work out really well for me. Okay, so I have the two back bolts through. And if you'll see right here, Randy Gross ships these pinned together with a little bit of wire. So what I'm going to do is cut those now and install the other two backing bolts with the radius arm in it. Okay, what I did was put the bolts or the nuts on these two backing pieces, and then drove in the bolts from the back side with the radius arm here. That literally took 2 minutes. Not a big deal. I just didn't want to put it on video. So now all I gotta do is tighten these guys down. If I can get them started. Tighten them down and put the cotter pins in them. But I just wanted to show you how pleased I am with Randy's work. I cannot wait to try cast iron drums. I drove 5,000 miles last year in Ohio, and I'm looking for another 5,000 this year. So if you have any questions, let me know. I got the drift, the brass drift to hammer the newer bolts out so I could drop the radius arm. But other than that, I'm pretty happy. Thanks, guys.